If your Taboola Pixel isn't picking up your Shopify sales data, you're literally burning your ad budget. Here is the exact step-by-step way to build a tracking setup in under 3 to 4 minutes. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to accurately connect your Shopify store with Taboola using the Wixpa Google Tag Manager app to track sales data. Before we begin, make sure you have active accounts for both Google Tag Manager and Taboola. Inside Taboola, ensure you have created your conversions to locate your unique account IID, as we will need this later. First, install the Wixpa Google Tag Manager app from the Shopify App Store and open it inside your store. Head over to Theme Activation and activate the GTM app embed. Once activated, copy the custom activation code provided on the screen. Next, go to your Shopify settings, select Customer Events, and click Add Custom Pixel. Give it a name. Paste the activation code you just copied, and set the permission option to Not Required. Save the pixel, and click Connect. Your Shopify store is now successfully linked with Wixpa. Now, return to the Wixpa GTM dashboard and click Create Pixel. Connect your Google account and select your Google Tag Manager container. Next, select Taboola as your tracking platform. Paste your Taboola account ID into the required field and leave the settings on default. Click Save. This process will take some time as the tracking data populates. Your pixel is now successfully created. Now open Google Tag Manager and navigate to the associated container. You will notice the new tracking changes have appeared. Go to your live version and click Preview. Enter your Shopify store URL and click Connect. Once connected, your store will open. Perform standard customer activities like view a product page, add a product to your cart, and initiate a checkout. Now, return to the Google Tag Manager Preview Mode window. You will see your data layer events appearing and the Taboola tags firing successfully. And that is it. Your Shopify store can now track customer behavior and e-commerce events accurately through Wixpa GTM. If this quick tutorial helped you, please like, subscribe, and comment below. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.